I'm ready to go for more. I ain't never dunking smoke, matter of fact, I'm taking a tote. Yeah, I said fuck it, my town don't stand for shit. You get to speaking that ruckus, that's when they won't clear the bench. Sit the fuck down, you a clown on third down. Trying to draw up a play that's a symbol for out of bounds. I represent the junkies who graduated to flunking. I dosed in Marksville with some real niggas from Bonkin. I deliver incisions with a razor blade precision. Fuck going out for recess, I'm doing early dismissals. Helmet off like Turley, I'm talking shit to officials. Killed this rap, it's Thursday, I'm blowing you like a missile. Damn, who laughing now? I'm a nail, you best get a file. It's a full metal jacket, you niggas just poppin' pow. Fell back, not off, that's what dealing with people cause. When I medicate myself, losing pops was a major loss. Let's end the fucking questions, I put you in place like Tetris. The metrics of contestants are really a lethal weapon. I'm ready to go for broke just for acting like you ain't know. I'm water with the flow, I ain't never gonna be a hoe. You want more? I'm gonna go and I'm ready to go for more.